pare hauraki iwi, Ngāti Kahungunu, and a large number of public servants escorted Jocelyn Mikaere to her powhiri as Te Wānanga kaiwhakahaere. Jocelyn will oversee tainui, waiariki and whirikōkā rohe that form the newly created Te Wānanga takiwā.
I decided to come home and really have a good go at transforming whānau through helping them to achieve their educational goals, because I really strongly believe that through education our employment opportunities and potential are expanded exponentially.
Jocelyn's career is a testament to her view that education expands employment opportunities. The mother of four initially ran a whānau-based mussel business with her husband, Richmond, in the Coromandel, and studied towards a conjoint Bachelor's of Law and Arts from Auckland University. Jocelyn later went on to complete an MBA and progress up the corporate ladder to the role of Assistant General Manager for Visa Services at Immigration New Zealand, managing more than 400 kaimahi. With that experience, she's not afraid to deal with any challenges that lie ahead of her.
I'll deal with it one person, one place, one tauira at a time. I just strongly believe that if we move with our hearts and do our very best, that we'll be able to succeed together as a whānau.
I'm feeling extremely confident about the new pathway that the Wānanga was on. We have got some great leaders that have either been promoted from within the ranks or attracted to our organisation, and Jocelyn exemplifies a new direction we're going in.
Jocelyn was humbled by the turnout of her former kaimahi from MSD and the Immigration Department from Wellington and Auckland that came to support her. They are all a part of her wider whānau.
Whānau for me is the most important thing that I can have, and I value and love my whānau, and I think today they showed that they value and love me.
Now that Jocelyn's part of Te Wānanga o Aotearoa whānau, she's keen to get on with guiding Te Wānanga in the strategic direction of whānau transformation through education. Te Anganathan, Te Wānanga o Aotearoa.